Welcome to the wedding of our daughter Busch-Noralez in Norman, Busch. This wonderful celebration took place in Las Vegas, Nevada on Wednesday, the 24th of June, 2026. This is the moment that it was captured when I took my daughter marching to the altar as she was getting ready to marry Norman Busch. The entire family came from Los Angeles, from Las Vegas, and we all had a great time. The place was beautiful and so appropriate for the occasion. Our grandchildren, nieces, nephews, grandma, Mama Mimi, our brothers and sisters, they were all there to celebrate this wonderful moment.
Please be seated. We are about to celebrate coming together as Mormon. Now we know that the union of husband and wife in heart, body, and mind is intended for their mutual joy, for their help, for their comfort that they give to each other, both the times of prosperity and adversity. Therefore, it's into this union that you two have. Marriage is not just an event, but rather it is a continual process. And next is your love. Always love each other the way you do right now. And we also know that love is not purely an emotion, but it's part of that decision that you are both choosing to make. Again, on this your special day. Remember that your love for each other will always protect, always trust, always hope, and always persevere. I have a question for you both, and it's an easy question. So Norman, sir, first to you. Norman, do you take Jaleesa to be your wife, to live together in the promise of marriage? Do you promise to love, respect, and support her? Do you give yourself completely to her for as long as you both shall live? And if you agree, would you please respond? I do. Do you take Norman to be your husband, to live together in the promise of marriage? Do you promise to love, respect, and support him? Do you give yourself completely to him for as long as you both shall live? If you also agree, would you please respond later? I, Norman, take you, Jaleesa, to be my wedded wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward. I promise to love you. To honor and trust you. Promise to stand with you. Through times of abundance. Times of hardship. I, Jaleesa. Take you, Norman. To be my wedded husband. To have and to hold. From this day forward. I promise to love you. To honor and trust you. I promise to stand with you. Through times of abundance. Times of hardship. As the rings are presented, we know that the rings are an outward representation of a commitment from the heart. Everyone who will see your rings for years to come, they'll know that your heart, mind, and life belong to someone that you are careful with everything. So, I can have you now to repeat after me as you place them. With this ring, It's written, I thee wed.
I thee wed.
All that I am,
All that I am.
all that I have.
All that I have. I give to you. I give to you now.
I also have with this ring,
With this ring,
I thee wed.
I do wed.
All that I am,
All that I am.
all that I have.
All that I have.
I give to you.
It's to you.
Norman and Lisa, you are entering into a deeper commitment. I know that for all the family and friends that are here, that they all know that your love and your marriage will indeed last a lifetime. I would encourage you to be true to the vows you've exchanged here today, and from this day forward, in such a manner that your word, deed, or action would ever cause you to doubt your love one for it. So then, as the vows that you two have exchanged here today, I now pronounce you husband, wife, Norman, you now is your lovely bride.
You don't want to hear you make some noise. Introducing for the first time anywhere than you, Mr. and Mrs. Busch.
And it's baby love like a surprise. And she's always just say that part to me, baby, like that's the only part she would sing to me. And I remember I had her dancing with me in the living room when I was like 3, 4 years old in LA. So I wanted her to come and dance with her baby one last time. So here we go.